What's up, my friends? Abby here, and you know what's up. You know what day it is. You've been waiting for this day, counting down the hours, minutes, seconds, and let's be real, so have I. A couple weeks ago, I posted this video all about my upcoming new release, my new book, The Otherworld, and in that video, I screamed and freaked out and broke down crying like I always do when I publish a new book, but I also revealed the cover and the blurb for this new book. And if you missed that video for some crazy reason, go check it out right here and learn all the juicy details about this book. Long story short, it is a cozy, nostalgic novel that's part sweet old-fashioned romance, part coming-of-age drama, including buried family secrets, a love triangle, a lighthouse, brother rivalry, secret dating, and Greek mythology. It is the book of my dreams. So in my previous video, I revealed the cover, the blurb, the aesthetic board, the playlist, the GOODREADS link, all that fun stuff. It is happening, guys. This book is coming. It is hitting shelves September 19th, 2023. And I'm so excited. I can't wait for you to read this book. Literally, I can't wait for you to read this book. That's what this whole video is about. I want you to read it now. If you are a teacher, bookseller, librarian, or an avid reader who reviews books on GOODREADS, Amazon, and/or your blog, then congratulations, you qualify to be a part of my special ARC team and read The Otherworld before the rest of the world does. If you're unfamiliar with the concept of an ARC team, let me explain real quick. ARC stands for Advanced Reader Copy and describes a book that is given from the publisher or the author to a reader pre-publication for free in exchange for an honest review. The ARC reader will then read their copy of the book, write an honest review about what they thought of the book, and post that review on GOODREADS, Amazon, and if you have one, your blog, or maybe your social channels. Advanced reviews are so vital, especially to indie authors like myself who don't have a big publishing house representing them or a publicist to get the word out about my book. Literally, it is just me doing all of this. So that's why I need you to help me spread the word about this book and get as many people to hear about it as possible. So as I assemble my ARC team for The Otherworld, I'm going to be looking for readers who have reviewed books in the past. Even better if you've done ARC reading in the past. All you have to do is go to netgalley.com/pub/abbieemmons and request to read The Otherworld. If you fall into any one of these categories, then your chances are very high of being accepted and being part of the ARC team, and a shiny pre-publication copy of The Otherworld ebook format will be sliding into your inbox very soon. I'm so excited for you to read this book. I'm so excited, and I hope that you will be a part of my ARC team. Now, if you're like, wait a minute, what is NetGalley? I'm an avid reader who loves to review books, and I would love to review The Otherworld, but I don't know what NetGalley is. Don't worry, I've got you covered. NetGalley is the most trusted book review platform on the internet for pre-publication copies of books where you can request to read new releases that haven't been released yet and be granted pre-publication copies of these books and review them in exchange for an honest review. The good news is it's 100% free and super easy to get started. And I filmed this quick tutorial on how to sign up for NetGalley if you are starting from scratch. So check that out if you are signing up for NetGalley today. So in exchange for this free advanced copy of The Otherworld, here's what I'm going to ask from you. After you finish reading the book, I'm going to want you to post your review on NetGalley, GOODREADS, Amazon, on the publication date or afterwards, because Amazon doesn't let you post your reviews before the book is published. Lame, I know. And if you desire, you can post your review on your social media channels or your blog. This part is optional, of course, but I will love you forever if you do. Oh, and one last thing. To make this a little more fun and exciting and interactive, I decided I'm going to host an ARC reader exclusive giveaway. That's right, every ARC reader who posts their review for The Otherworld before September 19th will be automatically entered into a special signed and personalized paperback giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away 3 paperback copies of The Otherworld, and one of those 3 lucky winners could be you. Okay guys, I'm limited as to how many people can be on the ARC team, so there's no time to waste. Click the link below this video. What are you waiting for? Go to netgalley.com/pub/abbieemmons and request to read The Otherworld. It's literally 2 clicks away, and if you don't have a NetGalley account, you can easily set one up by following this quick tutorial that I linked up in the corner for you guys. Literally takes 5 minutes. Okay, that's it. I'm so excited for you guys to read this book, whether that is before September 19th or afterwards. And I just want to thank each and every one of you so much from the bottom of my heart for all the sweet, wonderful, encouraging things that you posted on my last video, on that cover blurb reveal video where I was like crying my eyes out. That video, oh my gosh, like so many comments came in and I was just overwhelmed with gratitude and joy, and I love each and every one of you so much. I wish I could give you all hugs and waffles because you mean so much to me. So thank you. Thank you for believing in this book and supporting me here on this channel, and I can't wait for you to hold your copy in your hands. I hope to see you on the ARC team. Until then, rock on.